So this is from tutorialspoint.com, and what it is a free online whiteboard. You can like write with it. I'm on my laptop, and I had it on my tablet, and my laptop isn't touchscreen, so it's really neat. And you can change like the paper background, or you can even put like graphs. But the coolest part about it, and why I wanted to use it, was because you can make a meeting and have other people come in, and I think you can work collaboratively on it, which I thought would be cool. Sometimes when we do math problems on the whiteboard, it'd be neat if we could all work together instead of me showing and then them doing, but I could see what all of them were doing. And then, so this one's whiteboard. And if it's just on the internet again, it's just a website. And then the audience would be for the students, primarily for students. I could see this having other applications, but for now it would just be like that. And then the ISTE standards for 2.3.A create experiences for learners to make positive, socially responsible contributions and exhibit empathetic behavior online that builds relationships and community. So if they have to work together, and just having to work together shows empathy, having to take turns, having to respect other people's ideas. And then 2.4.B, collaborate and co-learn with students to discover and use how digital resources and diagnosis, troubleshoot, and technical issues. So this is something we'd have to learn together, because I've never used it before, and see if it works for them, or if it's too much for them, or what ideas, because they could be more creative than me, how else we could use this. And then I actually put a third one on here, 2.5.A, use technology to create, adapt, and personalize learning experiences that foster independent learners and accommodate learner differences and needs. So I guess some of them are creative, some are less creative, some that need to see everything step by step, some that can that don't. This would just be a way that I could kind of get a better feel for where they're at in a shorter time frame too. So that's this one. And this is number 3, and it's a free online whiteboard at tutorialspoint.com.